Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here. Today we are going to be doing a drop test with the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max and these cases right here by Supcase. Now Supcase is sponsoring this video, so huge thanks and shout out to them for that. Now, even though they are sponsoring this video, they did not ask me to do this drop test. This is just something that I do on my own when it comes to super protective cases like this. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. They actually sent me out tons of cases, from their most protective cases to slimmer cases that are going to give you more style with still some decent protection. But for this drop test, we're going to be drop testing their most durable cases right here. So when it comes to these drop tests, I want to do more of a real world test, real world situation. So let's go ahead and get this started. We got the Unicorn Beetle Pro right here and their Exo series right here, which are their two most durable cases, both coming with screen protectors. So let's go ahead and check them out. So first real world test, I'm going to come over here to this bench right here. Say, you know, you're sitting down, you got your phone on your lap like this, you know, you're just sitting back, kicking back, you got to get up and go, you forget your phone's on your lap. Oh shoot, you know what, I just dropped my phone, but good thing I got this case on here. And you know what, look at the phone. So nothing happened. It looks like the display is okay. And after this test, we will be taking off the case to make sure the phone is really okay. Nothing happened to the cameras. Next real world test right here. So say you're trying to put your phone in your pocket, you're just walking about trying to put it in your pocket, you missed. Oh shoot, I dropped it again. You know what? Hopefully nothing happened, and you know what, it looks like nothing happened. The screen protector is doing what it needs to do, the case is doing what it needs to do in the back, the cameras are still fine. Another real world test, a little bit higher of a drop here. So say you're talking on the phone, you know, you're just kind of walking along like this, talking on the phone, slips out of your hands, you accidentally drop it. Woo! Now that was a hard fall right there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I know it has that screen protector, but I'm a little nervous. But it looks like the case really absorbed that fall right there. I don't see any damage done to the display, not even the screen protector. Screen protector still looks good, just got my fingerprints all over it, and camera is still looking good as well. So those are pretty much three real world situations when it comes to these drops right here. Either you're sitting down, it falls out of your lap, you miss your pocket, falls out of your hand, or maybe you know you just want to throw it like that. Woo! Okay, let's check it out. Let's see what happens. Is it going to protect the device? And it looks like it protected the device. You got a little bit of scruffiness right there on the case, but that's the whole point of having a case like this, is the case is going to absorb that damage rather than your phone. So you know what, let me go ahead and take this case off of the device itself and let's see what it looks like. It's a little hard to take off, but here we go, we got it off. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone. And the phone looks golden. Look at that, no damage done to the display, nor on the sides or on the back. Everything's still looking really good. So let's go ahead and check out their next case from the Exo series. All right, so we got the next case on. This is the Exo series right here, showing off that beautiful backing of your iPhone 12 Pro Max device. Let's go ahead and do some more of these real world situation tests right here. So again, sitting down, you know, taking a little break, get up. I forgot the phone was on my lap. Oh shoot, there it goes. You know, little drop there, but no damage was done to the device itself. Let's go ahead and do a pocket test right here. So trying to put it in my pocket. Oops, I missed my pocket, fell on the floor. Still absorbing that damage rather than the device itself. So you can see it's protecting it really well. And the cool thing with this is that you can actually see the back of the phone to make sure there are no cracks or anything like that. It just has that cool exoskeleton look to it. So let's go ahead and do the talking on the phone test. Walking along, oh, woo! Oh shoot, that was that sounded really hard. What do you think, Isaac? Does that sound hard right there?
Very hard.
I think it sounded pretty hard, but you know what? The device looks fine. I don't see any cracks on the display itself. The cameras are looking good, and I'm not gonna lie, this actually got me a little bit nervous doing these drop tests because each lens right here is sticking out on its own. There's no protective glass covering all three of them together. So I'm not gonna lie, it did get me a little bit nervous, but it doesn't look like anything happened. Oh, you know what? I accidentally just dropped it again.
Whoa.
And oh, there we go again. And oh, what about now? What about now? Oh, let's do a little higher. Let's do a little higher. Woo! Woo!
Oh.
Dang, that sounded hard. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, that last drop right there, that was hard, right, Isaac? That sounded loud right here in person. Yes. I'm not gonna lie, it did scare me quite a bit, but yeah, I don't see any damage done to this device. You know what, let me go ahead and take this case off right here so we can really check it out. Throw that to the side, taking a look at the display. Look at that, no damage was done to the screen, just got my fingerprints all over the place. Looks good, the sides are looking good. The back is looking really good as well, and those camera lenses, that is what really got me nervous, because I believe the camera lenses are what slammed really hard against the ground right now, but it looks like they're doing great. So their two most protective cases that they have to offer right now, the Unicorn Beetle Pro and the EXO series right here. As you can see with these drop tests we just did, they are definitely going to protect your new iPhone 12 Pro Max device, and they have them available for all the iPhone 12 series of devices as well. So I'll make sure to drop links down in the description below in case you want to check this out. But like I said, they sent me tons of cases, which we will go check out right now. They got a wallet case, they got some thinner cases as well, in tons of different colors. And if you did like this video, if this is something you want to see more often on the channel and you don't want to miss out on any other future videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos. And make sure to give this video a like if you are liking it so far. But let's go ahead and head back inside so we can take a look at the rest of the cases that Supcase has to offer. Let's go. All right, so I have made my way inside, and as you can see here, we have tons of cases to go through. So I will try to go through these as quick as possible. So over here to my left, we have the EXO Pro series. We have the Unicorn Beetle Pro series. We have the regular EXO series that does not come with a built-in screen protector. We have the Unicorn Beetle Style series that also does not come with a screen protector. And then the new Volt series, which is actually one of my favorites here. It is a wallet case, doesn't come with a screen protector, looks really cool. But to start this off, we'll start off with their most popular Unicorn Beetle series. As you can see, I already have it on the device, so let me go ahead and move all these other cases over to the side for now. And then we also have a wireless charger here, so we can check out wireless charging as well to see if it is compatible with wireless charging. So this is the case that we did the actual drop test with, as you can see, giving us a nice deep cutout for the cameras there. And as you saw by my drop test, they were very well protected. And then we also get this kickstand in the back. So if you want to just have your phone like that so you can check the time, or maybe you want to watch some content, you can set it up like that. You can even use it as a little pop socket, as you can see there. And when you're done with it, just push it right back in like that and you're good to go. And I think it has a really cool style in the back. I'm really loving this look, and I'm really loving the color. It really goes well with the color of the device itself. Got kind of like a little carbon fiber up there, looking really good overall. And then around the edges you get this texture right here, which is going to help keep it just a little bit more secure in your hand so it doesn't happen to slip out of your hand or anything like that. Going down to the bottom, you do have precise cutouts for the speaker and microphone. You also get this little flap right here for the charging port, which you can also cut off if you decide not to have it there. Most people don't like that, some people do, but it is there if you do find that helpful. And then going to the top, nothing. Going to the right side, we do have the power button, which is very responsive, as you can see there, works perfectly. And then going over to the left side, we have another little flap here for the toggle that's going to allow you to be able to turn the volume up or turn it to vibrate mode. And then we have the volume rockers that are nice and clicky and responsive as well. So yeah, this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro case. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charging, see if that works. Let me turn this on, and as you can see, wireless charging does work with these cases, so it is wireless charging compatible. And this is their blue case, and I really love the color of this one right here. And as you can see, we also have 3 other colors. So we have the black color, looking really nice as well. And then we have a metallic purple color, looking pretty cool. Kind of like that Thanos purple, looks really good. And then we have a red color, which looks really cool as well. I actually use this red one on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I just really love the overall color, this metallic red on this case right here. And they all come with screen protectors, and they also all come with these holsters right here. So maybe you work in the construction field and you always need to have your phone by your side. Well, you got this holster right here with this 360-degree turning clamp right here. Just clamp it to your pants and you're ready to go. So you don't have to use this, it's really up to you, but it does come with the device if you do decide to use it. So these are the Unicorn Beetle Pro series right here. Again, if you find yourself interested in any of the cases in this video, I'll make sure to have some links down in the description below. Let's go ahead and check out the EXO Pro series. Okay, so moving on to the EXO Pro series, this is another case that we did the drop test with. As you can see, it does come with that built-in screen protector, which actually did a very good job at protecting this display. I have no complaints at all. So going to the back, we do get a nice deep cutout for the camera there, which did help protect protect these cameras very well, according to my drop test that we just watched a little while ago. And then we get this nice, cool exoskeleton design in the back, which not only gives us a cool design, but you also get to show off that beautiful backing of your iPhone 12 Pro Max device. I think it looks really, really good. And then going to the sides here, we get some texture here on the sides, which is going to help keep the phone nice, secure in your hand, prevent it from slipping out of your hand. We get the power button on the sides, which is nice and responsive, as you can see there. Works great. And then going down to the bottom, we get precise cutouts for the microphone, the charging port, and the speaker, looking really good. Again, with that cool carbon fiber design on the bottom as well. And then going to the left, we don't have a flap for this one right here. It is open, so you can be able to access that toggle a little bit more easier. And then you have the volume rockers on the side, which are nice and clicky, nice and responsive. Nothing at the top. And again, this is the XO Pro Series case. I think it looks really cool on this device. You know what? Let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. Let's see if it works with that. And wireless charging is compatible with this device right here. So other colors we have available here are this purple one right here. So if you're into purple, hey, we got a choice for you. And then we have this blue color right here, which I think is actually going to go very well with this color of device, or maybe even the gray one. So we got 3 color choices for the XO Pro Series. Let's go ahead and move on to the regular XO Series. All right, so moving on to the regular XO Series case here. This is not a 2-piece case like the previous 2 we just saw. It does not come with that built-in screen protector. This is going to be more on the thin side. So if you don't like super bulky protective cases, you want something a little bit more on the thin side, but is still going to give you some decent protection, this is a nice choice to go with as well. You still get that cool design in the back. You still get a nice deep cutout for those cameras. So if you happen to drop it flat on its back or just kind of slide it back and forth, you don't have to worry about damaging that camera module. Now, as far as the lips go in the front, they are deep enough to where if you want to set your phone flat on a table like that, you don't have to worry about that display hitting the flat surface. You can slide it around without worrying about it getting scratched up. So overall, very good feeling case. Feels really nice in the hands. Like I said, doesn't add too much bulk to the device. You still get that open spot right here for the toggle. Nice clicky responsive volume rockers. Nice responsive power button on the side. Going down to the bottom, you get an open charging port. You get the precise cutouts for the microphone and the speaker as well. And then you get these 2 little holes right here where you can actually attach a lanyard if you're into that. So again, this is the regular XO Series. Let's check out wireless charging compatibility. And let's see, is it on? Let me turn it on here. And as you can see, it is compatible with a wireless charging. And again, we get those same colors. We get the purple right here if you are into that. And then we also get black as well. So again, this is the regular XO Series. That is not a 2-piece case, does not come with that built-in screen protector, but is still going to give you some good, decent protection and add some style to your device. So let's go ahead and move over to the Unicorn Beetle Style Series. Okay, so moving on here to the Unicorn Beetle Style Series. Again, another thin case from Supcase. Actually feels really good in the hands, and it's nice and snug against the device. So you don't have to worry about the device falling out of this case if you happen to drop it. Fits in there nice and snug, and it goes in nice and easy. This is a 1-piece case. Again, just slaps in there nice and easy, just like that. Power button, nice and responsive, working good. Volume rockers, nice and clicky as well, working good. Now, I will say that it is a little bit harder to push these ones right here compared to the other cases we just took a look at, but they do feel like they are nice and responsive. And then again, we get another precise cutout right there for the toggle. Going down to the bottom, more precise cutouts for the charging port, the speaker, and the microphone as well. And then you got 2 more holes right here if you do want to attach a lanyard. But this is going to give you a see-through back so you can show off the full beautiful backing of your iPhone 12 device. Now, let's go ahead and check out the cutout for the camera. As you can see there, we do have a deep enough cutout to where if you do happen to accidentally drop it flat on its back or just slide it around, it will protect those camera lenses there in the back. Now, this is also available in black as well. You still get that see-through backing, but over on the edges, it is a black color instead of clear. And then you got a little bit of gray here all around the edging of the back. So again, this is the Unicorn Beetle Style Series. Again, if you're looking for a nice thin protective case, this is actually a really good one to go with. And as far as the wireless charging goes, let's go ahead and check that out. and wireless charging is compatible with these cases as well. And they're more of a hard plastic in the back. They're not going to be too flimsy or anything like that. They got a little bit of bend to them, but again, they are more of a hard plastic. Let's go ahead and move on to our last case, probably my favorite out of all of them just because of the style, the Volt. Okay, so moving on to the last case here, the Volt. This is probably my favorite out of all of them as far as style goes. This is a wallet case, so you do have a compartment back here if you need to, you know, put your license, credit cards, or anything like that. But overall, a very cool looking case. Going here to the top, you get this nice carbon fiber finish up here at top with a little bit of Supcase branding. Looks really cool. And you also get that carbon fiber look right here on each side. Down there at the bottom, you get a little opening here so you can be able to see your cards that you put in right here. And as far as the cutout goes for the camera, you're going to get some nice protection because not only do you get a cutout for the camera, but this whole piece is a little bit recessed as well. So you're getting a nice big cutout all around the top right here, looking really, really good. I just think it's an overall really good looking case. Going down to the bottom, you do have a cutout for the speaker, the charging port, and the microphone. And then you also have a cutout for the toggle up here on the left. The buttons for the volume rockers feel nice and clicky, nice and responsive. Power button, nice and responsive as well, nice and clicky. Nothing at the top. Do we have lanyard holds on this one? I don't think so. It doesn't look like it. But as far as the front goes, you do get a bit of a raise. So if you want to kind of just set it down on a flat surface like that, you should be okay and not having your display scratched or damaged. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. Let's see, will it work like this? I think the phones might be a little too tall for this wireless charger here. Let me set it to the side. And as you can see, it does work with wireless charging. So again, this is the Volt. Overall, very cool looking case. I'm probably going to rock this for a little bit, unless of course I am at work. I'm probably going to go with the Unicorn Beetle Pro to give me the maximum protection. But there it is, cases from Supcase. Huge thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Like I said, that drop test was all on my own. They did not ask me to do that drop test for this video. It's just something that I like to do with very protective, rugged cases like this to really see if they're actually going to protect your device. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. What do you think about these cases here? What do you think about my drop test overall? If you plan on picking one of these up, I'll make sure to have some links down in the description below. And if you do happen to pick one up, let me know which one you got for yourself. But thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.